We believe in maintaining and respecting our environment. We are therefore supportive of the government's policies and in line with this are committed to carry out demolition or modification at our religious center in line with relevant authorities, notwithstanding the provisions we made at the construction stage.
Sister Tangleza ile kitu baba nasema. Asante sana.